Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm doing something a little bit different. And what I'm going to be talking about today is the chance that you could win a free Etsy video critique of your Etsy store. So if you're interested in winning a free critique, make sure that you watch all the way to the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe today. Don't forget to show me some love by liking this video, and don't forget to introduce yourself in the comment section below. Now, when I first started my YouTube channel a couple years ago, the first thing I did, I was offering free Etsy critiques for Etsy sellers who struggle or they wanted to know something specific about their store. And I thought for 2020, why not give away 1 to 4 free critiques every single month for the whole year of 2020. So if you want to win a free critique, all you have to do is go to my blog. I'm going to leave the link in the comment section below and also below the video on the text box description. If you click there, all you have to do is sign up, put your email. You're going to get an email from me right away. And then an email is going to ask you for your name, your shop store, and also your biggest struggle with Etsy. That way, when I'm doing the critique, I could kind of point that out for you as well and help you out. But these are going to be free critiques that are going to be published on my YouTube channel. And I'm going to do a full audit of your entire store, which is really cool. So if you're interested in winning one, make sure that you sign up today. I know that right now I'm out of town. I'm in Georgia visiting family, and it's the holiday season. It's the day before Christmas. By the time I publish this, it will be Christmas. So I hope everyone has a happy holiday with their loved ones, with their family and friends. And guys, if you have any questions about the critique, make sure that you leave a comment below. Thank you and good luck to everyone.